Damn. Monday. Today is the 2nd of February 2026. Still a trader. Good opportunities. I'm done for today. I'm done trading for today because I guess I reached my daily target and I don't want to overtrade. For today, starting of the day, I missed one good trade, but that was fine. I waited for the next setup and managed to did quite well. Was up a few percentage, and the next two was negative trade. Like I lost two to three trades in a row. I think it was 3 trades. After 3 losing trades, I said to myself, it's okay, calm down for now and just check back the charts later. Who knows, there's a better opportunity. By 1 p.m. and above, I look back at the chart and I do see a few like good confluences on like why I should enter the trade. So I entered 2 trades and the last 2 trades did really well. So as for today, I took, let's say, then yeah, just want to journal myself, record myself on my trading progression. Overall, quite nice, quite a good feeling to close the day with profits. I don't know, I want to say I'm done for today, but we'll see. Hopefully I'm a man of my word. No more trading for today, and see and trade on a different day. Maybe tomorrow, maybe Wednesday, but most likely is tomorrow, just to record myself and talk to myself in the future. Some of the things that I would like to express is based on the videos that I've watched, like in my gallery of trading process. January to March, it's a good time for traders to trade, especially for me, like, because following my strategy, price action works really well from the month of January all the way to March. So Q1 for traders, like the trader that trade with the way that I trade, is good. It's a good time to trade. The second day of journal is the trading on Tuesday. So far, it's not been the best, but it's okay. I just want to journal myself. As for today, I took 3 trades and all of the 3 trades hit SL, unfortunately, but it's okay. I just believe that it wasn't the right market condition for me to trade in. I guess what I'll do for now is, like usual, I'm going to take a short break and then we'll see tonight whether if the market conditions are better on my liking. If the market conditions is better for me, later I would then take more trades, but for now I'm gonna rest for a while. For the money wise, so far today we are down $33. So yesterday we were up $80. I think 88 or $80, and as of today, so far we are down $30 because of 3 losing trades. Anyways, it's the end of Tuesday, the end of 4th of February, and I took a total of 4 trades, 3 trades being this afternoon, and I took an extra trade this evening. And the trade this evening unfortunately hit SL as well. It hit stop loss, but no worries. Like for myself, I told myself that I followed my rules. I was patient about it, and I was risking the amount that I am okay with risking. So a total of 4 trades and all 4 hit stop loss today. And the on the money side would be $50 down. I'm $50 down for today, but no worries. I just see this as business. You win some, you lose some, but in the end, if you're in a profit, yeah, no worries. We can always learn from this kind of stuff. It's a little bit late right now, Let me show you the time first. So you can see 2:53 on Wednesday morning. I was awake. I mean, I was still awake, and then I see that there's a chart pattern on gold. I took a sell, and yeah, I would see how it works. Currently, it's pushing to a drawdown, but I do have my reasonings on why I take it. So yeah. So there, I'm shirtless right now, but today's a Wednesday, and here's a trade update. Took 2 trades in the morning or in the afternoon, and it was 2 winning trades. I managed to recover a few from Tuesday. What happened on Tuesday was, remember the trade at 3 something, so that trade ended up in a losing trade. I lost like $15 or $17 today on Wednesday. I took 2 trades in the afternoon, and that was a profitable trade, so managed to recover partial losses from the day before. It was like $20 worth of winning trade. And then in the evening, I took another 2 trades. The setup looked right, but unfortunately it hit SL. And then recently, just now, around 11, let's just say 11:20, I took a sell trade, and that trade hit take profit for $28. So to give a short recap, Monday is plus $80, Tuesday yesterday was minus $65, and today so far I'm up $28. Looking at the math, so far I'm up for this week, and the momentum currently, it looks really good for sales setup. So I just closed a profitable trade, a winning trade. Let's see if there's still momentum in like price wanting to push down or not. If I can still see that selling momentum, I'm gonna enter a few more trading positions, and let's just say I hit like 2 to 3 winning trades after this, and that would be all for today on Wednesday. Crazy journey, because waking up on the day after a losing trade, you have to really set your mindset in like, okay, yesterday was a bad day, but it's not a bad life. We just have to have a perception of that's just business. You win some, you lose some, but if you make sure your expenses is lower than your profits, you're always going to be okay. So I keep saying this again and again: believe in yourself, believe that you can really do it, and trust the process. Put in the work, put in the hours, and rest assured you are guaranteed success. In terms of like emotion for today, in the early afternoon, good, managed to recover yesterday's losses, and then in the evening was like a little bit down because of the 2 losing trades, and then a little bit more down because those two losing trades, the amount is bigger than the 2 profits that I made before that. But as of right now, it's good. Because I just closed a winning trade. So yes, to keep it short, let's see the momentum. If there's a setup, we take it. Win or lose, we learn. So it's Thursday today, and the 4th trading day of the week. I took a trade this morning, and dude, that trade was awesome. Managed to make $49 off that sell trade. Really good, like really good first trade of Thursday. Then I took 2 trades, to be honest 3. It was a selling trade, but that is SL. Very unfortunate because I took a trade following the trend, and then there was confirmation. The just one thing I find it difficult was choosing a take profit level, because how do I set take profit positions is by looking what is on the left. But on the left, there's so many consolidation zones. because usually if it's for consolidation, I'll take the beginning of the consolidation or the ending, and I was hoping that it would go to H1's closest consolidation level. But during the trade, I had like 3 positions open, and all 3 of them was like running 400 pips. Yes, you could have said, oh, that is completely enough for you, but why don't you take the profits? Looking at the momentum, I do see it was possible. I thought it was possible to go all the way to H1's base. Putting the 3rd position, it didn't go where that I was hoping it to go, but instead all 3 of those positions went to SL. So that brings us to the total of 4 trades that I took today so far. First one being really good trade, managed to close $49, but the remaining 3 trades I lost about 53 or 54, which brings us to negative $4 for today. Looking at the condition, like usual, I'm off the charts for a while, and then later on, let's see if there's momentum. If we do see momentum, like usual, I'll take the trade, risk management as well, and yeah, it's just like that. I hope it's a good week in the life of a forex trader. Before, like if you look at the previous clips, they were all just trade highlights, which is good, but I'd like to give more in the vlog in terms of like what is life other than trading. Like if I'm not trading, what I'm doing. If I'm going through a loss, what's my thought process, what do I do? If I'm in a winning trade, what do I do with it? When do I stop? When do I continue? What to do? Those kind of vlogs that I would and I will post in the near future. So yeah, I mean, it's the first time you guys is seeing a different background. Most of the time I'm in the room, but today I'm going outside for a while. We'll see what happens later. Yeah, I wish myself all the best, and hopefully to close this week in a really good performance. So yeah, I just reached home. Came straight to my room and vlog this for you guys, just to give an update on how the trading today has been. So it's outside, hanging out, and then doing this hanging out stuff. In the hangout, I took 2 trades. Yeah, I took 2 trades based off an M1 factor, but that trade hit SL, and it brought me down to negative $25. My mistake as well, because when I analyze it back again, it didn't have strong factors on why I actually should take the trade. I believe that's one of the reasons on why it ended up in the loss, but it's okay. The 2 trades being losing trade, which brings me to negative 25, and then the final 2 trades was a good trade. That was a good trade. Taking that extra 2 trade, I felt a lot of, I guess, anxiety, because the reasoning was there, the confirmation was there, but as I was in the trade, it was floating in negative for a really long time, and that got me anxious. I'm like, okay, I followed my rules. I waited for confirmation, but why is the trade still in like floating? But thankfully, as time goes by, the trade went to my take profit, and it lifted up my mood. But keep in mind, going forward, I will still have emotions, but I'm going to control on the part regardless of wins or losses. And with those last 2 trades that I take today, it hit take profit, and today I am $46 up. I'm $46 up for today, and that's it for today for trading. Yo, this is Saturday. Market is already closed. And was I recording on Friday's performance? And let's say on Friday is minus $30 for performance. Then started off as a rough day, but I managed to recover on like losing trades, and like the maximum drawdown on that day was like $60, and I managed to recover back of $30. I have this feeling of like, okay, it's been a good 2 weeks so far, and I think I'll decide to withdraw. I'm gonna withdraw $100 because I start with $45, and I managed to bring it up all the way to $130, which is impressive. It took me 2 weeks to grow from $45 to 138-ish dollars. So I'm gonna remove $100, and I'm gonna have like $38 left, and we'll see how much we can trade with that funds by the following week. I'm a little bit tired right now, but also excited on the fact that I think it actually is my first ever $100 withdrawal. Because, okay, to give you a backstory, before this when I trade, I do like $10 to $100 flip, or $10 to $200 flip, but I did not withdraw because I think and I know I could grow it, but unfortunately that didn't happen. So how about this time, from $45, now it's $138. I remove $100 and just rinse and repeat the process of, okay, new week, I'm gonna start with $38, and then we're gonna trade. This time let's try to push all the way to $150, or if even better, $200. So once we reach that, within that range of $150 to $200, that's when we withdraw. Like, deposit a small amount, and then you grow it, and then you withdraw it, and then you use the funds that you have and grow it again and again. So it becomes a cycle. Let's go with this method, and we see how far this can go. I'm quite how do you call it, optimistic on this approach, because like I said, this will be the first ever time in my life where I withdraw $100. Because before this, I withdraw $30, I withdraw $40, I withdraw $50, but never really reaching the 3-digit amount. So this time, let's try to see if there's any difference in approach in like this kind of stuff. Now I'm on my broker website, and yeah, I'm gonna withdraw some funds out of it, like what I said before this. Withdraw. Request has been sent successfully. Received the withdrawal from my broker, and yeah, it's good. It's good. Definitely a good feeling. So to wrap up this week's, I guess, week in the life of a trader is, for the 2 weeks of trading, yeah, it has been good. Can be better, but we kind of did end with a good result. Once again, going into the new week, some of the strats is going to be like, you must have a mindset of a goldfish. So the mindset that you gotta have is, okay, that's a good trade, let's reset, and then let's approach the market again. It's better to not bring any emotional attachment based on the results that you get. So you can feel happy about a good take profit trade, but it should be more like a, okay, that's cool, and let's see what we can do next. Yeah, and the same goes to like losing trades. So whenever you go through losing trades, the mindset should be like, okay, that sucks. That sucks that the trade hit SL. But what can we do from that point? What we do is we analyze, we see what went wrong, and then if it's just a probability, that's just business expense. So you analyze what happened, you learn at the moment, you forget about you losing, you reset your mindset, and you approach the market with the same edge that you have. And yes, that should be the formula on how you really want to excel in this kind of industry. So yeah, that's it from me, and goodbye.